everyone, today I have a new behind the scenes photo shoot video. I am here with Monica, Jasmine and Eve. These guys are all sisters and they're going to be our models for today. I'm shooting on my Canon 5D Mark IV and my Canon 50mm f1.2 lens, so we're going to go ahead and start taking some photos. Start maybe just here, I'll get you guys standing maybe in a row. So let me just take a test shot and I'll show you guys like what it's looking like. Yeah, you can do a funny face for this one if you want. I was thinking, if you have your hands down, maybe you could face into Jasmine and you can kind of like, yeah, like that. And then maybe you can rest your arm on Jasmine's shoulder and kind of like, maybe you can lean your head into her head.
Like that?
Yeah, that's cool. I love that. Cute. Let me get some full body shots as well. So like do like the tippy toe. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice actually. I like that.
Red looks nice.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. Should we do maybe a sitting one would be cool. And maybe you can sit cross-legged in the middle and kind of like lean over maybe. Yeah, like as close as possible. And then do you, Monica, want to sit maybe like this? So much posing going on today. That looks so cool. Like sleepy in the park. Oh, Monica, you just like that, Jasmine. And Monica, do you want to rest your elbow on Jasmine's back and kind of maybe rest your head on your hand or your arm? Like. Yeah. Oh, that's amazing. I want to try and get like a more close-up shot of the three of you. I think would be cool. And then I think if you guys, yeah, lean your heads on Eve's shoulders. Beautiful. Perfect. Cool. And looking at me. Should we try the same positioning, but you guys laying down instead?
Sure. Yeah. That might be easier.
And maybe let's lay down so your faces are in this shady bit. Maybe that'll be a bit easier for you guys as well. Oh, that's really cool actually. And Eve, if you want to bring your hand up to your shoulder. And did you want to kind of wrap your hands around your stomach? Yeah, yeah. Ooh, so pretty. All right, and then looking up at me. I think I'm liking the laying down.
Yeah, oh, I like that. I really like that. Oh, Jazz, you look great.
And then I want to like intertwine you guys a little bit more. Do you guys want to hold hands maybe? That's nice. Monica, do you want to lean your head on each shoulder a little bit? Yeah, perfect. I love that breeze right now. And a couple more a little bit closer. That is so beautiful. I like how you're flipping the leaves away, but it's like part of the modeling. It looks amazing.
And I love you so.
Oh, I like that, pushing the leaf away.
I'm gonna be alright. I've been caught in time. I want you to know that I love you so.
Maybe grabbing your elbow and maybe bring this the other shoulder. Yeah. Awesome. That's actually kind of cool hiding behind the leaf. Maybe try looking at me, kind of tilting your head to the side. Yeah. I love that. You can smile if you want. That's nice. Yeah. And just drop the other hand down as well. Beautiful. And can I get you two to get in a bit closer? Oh, that's really cool. You kind of, maybe if you rest like almost the top of your foreheads together. Yeah. And Eve, can you come down just a little bit so your eyes are even? Come up just a little bit. Yeah. Love that. Alright, and I'll get a super close-up of your faces as well. And I wanted to get like a really close-up shot of you guys, so if we can get in like as close as possible. And do you want to do some slightly smiley ones? Yeah, lovely. Well, we just wrapped up today's photo shoot. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching the behind the scenes of how we created each of the portraits that we took today. As always, thank you so much for watching. I make new videos every single Wednesday, so I will see you all next time. Bye!